What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Ultra hit from Dragon Ball. Let's give this a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Upshot, head is kind of tilted back and he's like looking down at us, right? So his head's like up in the top half, okay? So we start with this, like his big frowning forehead sort of, right? Curves around here. And up the back. And he's got like some frowning lines along the top there. So his eye is in under this, so we got like a short line, a long line, and then a curved line brings it together. And then he's like looking down at us, so we've got like a half circle just here along the bottom, and then the pupil just curving down that way. And then we have those Dragon Ball cheek marks here, hatching lines, right? So the other frown, a bit different, right? So it comes out from here and up, down like that. And then his head disappears in the side, right? So we can see, like, so we'll let this be his eye there, the long line, and then this goes in towards his nose. So his nose kind of like comes out from here. And then his iris and pupil. Like so. And then some hatching there. And then the other side of this forehead kind of comes out that way. Like that. So then his nose comes out like so, real spiky. And then comes back down and into there. And in Dragon Ball, they always draw in this sort of shadow on the corner of the nose, like so. We can just see a nostril, and then some of that nostril on the other side, like that. So he's not impressed. He's got like a downturned kind of mouth, just pretty close to the nose up here. So like this kind of thing. And then some hatching sort of underneath his bottom lip. So his chin, sort of square, coming down this way to the jaw, and then up towards his ear. On this side, we go up around his cheek, right? So it curves around the cheek here, and then up into the corner of his eye. Like so. So we have that big round ear, curving round sort of circular ear. Just on the side of his head. It's like headphones kind of just there. And then he has those lines that come down from his eyes on his face, like so. And his head bumps back around like that. Right, and then back of his neck there, front of his neck here, and then he has a collar which comes out and sort of has a line down the middle of it there, and the collar on the other side down that way, down there, and then neck muscles like so. And then collar there. So top of his body, right? So his chest, center line for his chest here. And then we have typical big Dragon Ball square chest muscles. One there, and you'll have like chest muscles in the corner. And the other one then comes out here, goes up, around, and back into the middle. And then we can see his trapezius just here. And then that goes down that way. Okay, so he's got abs, layers of abs, right? So coming down this way. Right, like this kind of a thing. Right, and these have ab lines in the middle of them. Like that. And then we have another back muscle line or something here. And the line's coming down this way. And he has lines that come down his chest muscles as well. And side body here. And then he's got this golden plate here. And then he has like a long trench coat going that way. And pockets, right? So like hands in his pockets here. And like his back that way. And this is a belt. Silver belt. So then big shoulder. Like big bumping shoulder circle, and it's like it's got armor on it or something. There. Tricep. Is that way? His bicep will be coming out here. Bicep line there. And then he's got like a elbow pad on. Like that. Which this is like strapped on to his elbow. Funny that he wears elbow pads. Never noticed that before. He's a skater. And then forearm goes that way, and then some sort of wrist pad. Forearm muscles. There. And then his other shoulder is down here. The armor thing. And then that strap for the elbow pad, we can see the other side of it. And then his arm just goes into his pocket here. Okay. that looks like everything. Ultra hit. So I'm going to add some lightning coming out from like behind his shoulder because it's in the picture. So like that. Maybe something here as well. I don't know, I'll give him some spiky sort of aura energy as well. And we're looking up at all this, so it goes off my page up there, and it'll come back in somewhere here. Like so. So it'll all be like purpley blue aura, like electricity and stuff all here. Ultra hit. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.